Are you new to cryptocurrencies or just want to learn more about Bitcoin and blockchain technology in general? CryptoScores.org has a solution for you. Our ebook, The Bitcoin, Blockchain, and Crypto, A Complete Guide, has information varying from general cryptocurrencies overview to detailed information about cryptocurrency mining. In the end, our ebook, over 70 pages long, has the information you need to be successful in the cryptocurrency industry. This ebook covers information about Bitcoin, altcoins, traditional monetary policies, as well as trading information, which covers technical analysis, fundamental analysis, various strategies including risk and reward weighting, introduction to mining, as well as detailed information on cryptocurrency mining. In the end, this ebook is only $9.95 and is available on Amazon, Google Play, Lulu, or a website for users exclusively for $8.95. Again, Bitcoin, Blockchain, and Crypto, A Complete Guide is the ebook you need to be successful in the cryptocurrency industry. Available exclusively at CryptoScores.org, Amazon, Google Play, Lulu, and a bookstore near you. In addition to this, our professional Bitcoin certification exam weighs heavily on this ebook. If you want to pass the Bitcoin professional certification exam, which is not an easy exam, and receive your free professional Bitcoin, blockchain, and cryptocurrencies professional certification, this ebook will give you the information you need to pass this certification exam for free. Again, certification is free. Ebook is just $8.95 for members on our website, CryptoScores.org. Bitcoin, Blockchain, and Crypto, A Complete Guide.